Alright guys, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be reviewing a website that I can use in my future classroom, and I'm going to create a tutorial on how to use this website. The website that I have chosen to do it's Kahoot.com. Basically what it is it's like a Jeopardy game. If kids have their cell phones or a computer in the classroom, all they got to do is enter a pin, and then everybody's entered into the game. The faster you answer the question after the time starts, the more points you get. And I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a Kahoot. And a good thing with this, you can use it for reviews for quizzes, reviews for tests, or if you just want to do like exit questions with it, you can do that as well. So I plan on teaching history once I get my degree, and what we're going to title this one, let's just go with Revolutionary War. And then you have to add a description to it. So our description is going to be just a quick Kahoot about the American Revolution. So the first thing you can do is your location. That's where it's going to be at. You're going to put it in My Kahoots. Visibility, you can change the things right here. You can either make it so everyone can see it. Only you can see it with the hashtag. You can make it private just for yourself. And then you can obviously choose the different languages as well. Credit resources, that's if you're getting the questions out of a book or off a Quizlet or something like that. That's where you put it. You can also add an intro video into it as well. I'm really not going to put an intro video in it. I never have when I've used this, so we're just going to go from here. Alright, so right here we have the game creator. This is where you add your questions and answers into it. So the first question is going to be, what was the American Revolution about? Alright, so what you're going to do next, you're just going to put answers in. To make this quicker, we're just going to put 2 answers in instead of 4. Answer 1, it's going to be then question 2, it's going to say this. Obviously the first question is right, so we're going to go ahead and check mark this. What we're going to do next, I'm just going to quit it here. I'm not going to add any more. To do next, to add another question, what you would do is you would click next, and then you would add another question. But since we're short on time, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what it's like from this one thing. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to click play it. And you're going to do, you can do classic or a team mode. Classic is player versus player, and then you can have a team where they do it on shared devices. So we're going to go ahead and do classic. And then you're gonna have the students go onto Kahoot. You're gonna have them click enter game pin, and this is their game pin right here, 816067. There we go. There, I just popped up onto the screen. And we're going to go ahead and start since I'm the only one here. Question 1, are you ready? What was the American Revolution about? Boom. I went ahead and answered it real quick. I knew what the answer was. And then, since I answered it so quick, I got 939 points. This works well with a large classroom or a large sample size. I really like Kahoot. I've used it in multiple presentations I've had to give in college that has required a game. And all, it's really just a fun way to get the students involved. The kids can make it anonymous. They can make their names whatever they want as long as it's not inappropriate. That way no kids getting made fun of, stuff like that. So I just think it's a really good way to get the kids involved and learning.